Hello and welcome to MicroChef. Today, we are going to use some unconventional ingredients to make fudgy brownies. You will need 375 grams of sugar, 500 grams of plain yogurt, 190 grams of flour, half a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon baking soda, 3 sweet potatoes, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 90 grams chocolate instant pudding, 125 grams vegetable shortening, and 80 grams of milk chocolate. First, peel the sweet potato and then chop it into small chunks. Add the sweet potatoes to a microwave-safe dish and cover with a lid. Microwave for 10 minutes on high or until tender. Remove from the microwave and mash until smooth. Chop the chocolate into small pieces. Microwave the vegetable shortening on high for 1 minute. Now, add the chocolate instant pudding and then half of the yogurt. Add the mashed sweet potatoes and the vanilla essence. Then mix until well combined. You should end up with a smooth chocolate mixture. Add the sugar and then the salt and baking soda. Now, add the flour and mix until just combined. Add the remaining yogurt and mix until well combined. Finally, add the chocolate and fold into the mixture. Add the brownie batter to a slightly greased microwave dish. Even out the batter with the back of a spoon. Now, microwave for 6 minutes on high. Remove the brownies from the microwave and let it cool down. Sift some icing sugar to cover the top. Remember to like, subscribe and comment what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.